Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use two Instagram accounts at the same time in one phone. Watch this video completely and do not miss out any step, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is my main Instagram account and this is the Instagram app from which I'm using my Instagram account. Now I'm going to show you the second Instagram app that I am going to use. You can even log in with your another account if you have one. So you can even set up a spare account to use it simultaneously at the same time. So guys, as you can see, I have two Instagram apps installed. Now I'm going to tell you how did I do this. So the first thing that you have to do is you need to download an app which is called as Parallel Space. Parallel Space is the app that you have to download. So this is the app, guys. As you can see, there are 100 million plus downloads and 4.6 rated stars. So once you've downloaded the app, you need to open the app. So the app is opening. So this is the app, guys. You can set up multiple accounts online simultaneously. So guys, I've already set up these many apps in my Parallel Space. So this account will duplicate your Instagram app or your WhatsApp app. You can use two accounts at the same time, or you can use two different accounts at the same time. So as you can see, you can set up any app that you want to use simultaneously at the same time. So I have already set up Instagram app. So now let me open the Instagram app and show you. So this is how you will be getting the interface. As it says starting Instagram. So as you can see, my Instagram app is already open. So I can even set up another account if I want to, or I can use the same account. So guys, now let me show you my main Instagram account. So this is the Instagram app which I'm using. So as you can see, this is my Instagram account. And now let me open Parallel Space and show you how the duplicate account works. So I'm going to start up another Instagram app. So it says starting Instagram. So what this will help you is you can use another spare account, or you can use multiple accounts at the same time, and you can text anyone at the same time, guys. So this will help you make your work easy. If you're texting someone, you can duplicate your accounts and you can use them at the same time. So you can text anyone at the same time. You can even install WhatsApp and you can use two WhatsApp accounts at the same phone at the same time, guys. So guys, this is how you can install two Instagram accounts, or you can use two Instagram accounts at the same time in one phone. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing for more amazing content further. And if you have any questions about this video, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be glad to solve each one of your questions. So guys, that was it for the video. Thank you for watching it till the end.